Aloha. When you design and build something from an image in your head, there is no timeline. There are no drawings. There are no plans. It's just something that I saw in my head that I'm building. Now all 4 trays fit. Okay, all 4 trays are in. They fit under the seal, so I know the hatch will close. Because of this hump right here, I'm gonna have to make 2 spacers. One here and one here. And once I make those spacers, I'm gonna put a piece of aluminum across the center, and that will make a great handle for removing this. Okay, the hatch is closed. There's no clearance issues. So, since I have no idea when this is going to be finished, I'm not gonna put parts anymore. Not part 1, not part 2. I'm just gonna update y'all as I go. Aloha and stay safe.